Hey, how's everyone going? Hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. On this video, I wanted to share with you how you can make money doing high ticket affiliate marketing business as a complete beginner. This is going to be a step-by-step video, so make sure you pay attention and start taking notes all throughout this video. And the things that I'll be sharing with you was the exact thing that I actually learned, especially when I was getting started. And I had to get a lot of different programs to actually understand how affiliate marketing actually works and how you can start making money from your affiliate marketing business, right? If you're new to my channel, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I create videos about YouTube automation and also affiliate marketing, and how you can also use your YouTube automation channels to be making money with your affiliate marketing business, right? So we're doing two things at once. We getting paid with YouTube AdSense revenue, and then we making money promoting whatever service or whatever products that we actually doing through affiliate marketing to be earning a commissions. For any of you actually don't know what affiliate marketing is you not creating any products, and you're not doing customer service, you're not doing day-to-day activities. All you're doing is just 5% of the work, which is you just promoting someone else's proven products which has actually been working, and you can just take the product link and start to promote. And every time someone actually goes ahead and buys that product, you actually earn a commission from that. So for example, if a company is paying you 10% commission, right, every time that product gets sold, and the product is, for example, $100, and you promote that product and someone buys that product, you earn $10 from that $100 product. So that's like 10%. So every marketplace pays you different rates. Some pays you like 20%, some pays you 4%, some pays you 80%, some pays you like, there's different percentages every single company pays you, right? So but on this video I'll share with you a few different things and few of the different commissions percentages, so you can actually compare between them, right? So the first place which I wanted to share with you is called Digistore 24, right? And this is a marketplace where people just go ahead and they actually sign up for a free account, and we have different products in here, like you got like health, you got like fitness, you got animal products, email marketing products, education. So there's a lot of products in here, and then you can also go ahead and promote these exact programs or services. But the one that I love to do and promote is digital products, because digital products is online, and actually digital products pays you a lot of commission, right? So that's the reason I do digital products, and I love digital products. Like for example, a course or program, I just go ahead and promote those ones, right? So for example, if I go into maybe make money online, just as an example, right, and you can just search for whatever you want in here. So I say maybe make money online, and it can actually show you like maybe we'll do marketing, right? So we got different marketing programs in here, and in here it tells you how much commission this company actually pays you, right? So we'll go for maybe we'll go like a subscription base, because those are the ones I actually like to promote. So it hasn't got much option. So subscription base is a program that actually pays you month after month, right? So you do the work once, and we'll go for the high ticket, because this is what the video is about, high ticket. So we'll go for maybe business, okay, investment. We'll go investment, and we'll go single. Let me cancel these ones. Okay, so in here you can see different earnings you can actually earn from these products once you promote, right? We'll go for maybe, okay, so you can actually choose like whatever you want to choose. and we have like different income streams in here, but I'm trying to find the high. Like for example, this is a awesome one, Freedom Accelerator. The program is actually $14.97, but you can actually promote this one and you get a 50% cut from this one, right? So you can actually promote this particular one. Also, what you want to look at is the cancellation rate, right? Out of every 100 people, maybe 13% of the people actually canceling this, right? So this is something that you actually want to look at, is what's the actual cancellation rate, right? So that's the thing that you have to keep in mind when you're promoting any products. Like for example, this one, there isn't any cancellation, right? When people actually buy this one, they don't go and cancel it, right? So that's something that you have to keep in mind with the cancellation and everything, right? So but you got different types of products in here. For example, we can go like education, and just to see how much it actually pays you, right? And if you just love to do high ticket, you can just compare the different prices, how much they actually pays you, right? And then that way you can actually go ahead and choose that product, right? So whichever one that you actually want to choose, obviously it's gonna be like high ticket, right? So and you want to promote, and then you can just click on this, and this is going to be your link to actually send the traffic, right? So for example, if I click on this, if I copy that, and if I paste this here, and this actual thing will go to this what we call a sales page, right? So this is a sales page where you're going to be sending the traffic to, but I wouldn't actually do it like this. I wouldn't send people directly to this sales page. First I'll capture the email address, and then after that I'll send them to this page, right? So if you're not capturing a email, you probably missing out with a lot of money, right? So this is the actual product, right? So that's just an example of how you can actually promote digistore products, right? And in here you got like tons and tons of different products that you can actually go ahead and promote. Okay, so that's one of the things that you can actually do just using digistore. Another one that I actually love is this one here. So in here we got even though this product is only $9, right? And with the $9 you have the option to promote, you have the option to be earning that high ticket program, right? High ticket commission that you have the option to be earning from this actual product that actually pays you up to $750, right? So $750 might not sound a lot, but for example, if you're living in a very poor country, if you're promoting this product in the US, for example, that $750 might be a lot of money for you, right? Most of the time, these poor countries, they don't even earn $750 US in their country, right? So which is just, you need only one sale to be able to be profitable and feed your whole entire village for that, you know, $750. So this is the one that people actually go ahead and promote, and all the copies and everything is also done by the actual creator, right? So you don't have to even create this system, because it's all here, it's all proven to work, and you can just again send the traffic to this offer. And when someone actually goes and buys, that's when you actually make a commission from this product, and you have the ability to be earning that high ticket commission of like $750, right? So those are the two ones, but the last one that I actually really love is called the all-in-one business model, right? And in here, this program actually teaches you the fundamentals, how you can be earning high ticket commission combined with a residual ongoing income, right? So you have the ability to be earning just the lowest point, earning $20 all the way up to $800, right? So this program actually has the tier system, right? You earn like $20 on the lowest, which is recurring month after month, but also we have the ability to be earning $400 to about $800 high ticket commission, which is not super high, but this actual program actually is the fundamentals for all the things that I actually shared with you. The Digistore, the 72-hour challenge. People need this actual system to be able to succeed with the other system that I actually shared with you, because in here Digistore, you need to be designing your own funnel. Most of the time people, they're sending the clicks or the traffic directly to these click Digistore product offers, and they have no ability to be able to track the sales, or if someone doesn't buy it, they have no way of actually reaching out to that person again. If you have actually captured their email address, that way you can actually email them and get them to be able to buy the product again, right? So, and this is what this all-in-one business model does. It actually teaches you how you can actually design your own funnel, so that way you can actually capture people's email and start to do email marketing, right? And I'll show you the back end of it. So this is the program that actually teaches you how to build a funnel and also how to get people into the funnel. One way that I really love to get people as a traffic is to use YouTube, right? And YouTube, a lot of people actually come to YouTube to search for different answers, how they can be earning money from online, right? And you can provide valuable content to them. And even though you're gonna get like little views, but with that little views, it only be targeting to a certain amount of people, and those people will be really interested in what you do, right? That audience will grow over time, right? Even though you not be seeing that much views on your videos, but over time, all right, over time, if you give yourself enough time, look at yourself like what you actually did last year, this year, YouTube is all going to be slowly it's all gonna be building over time, and that way you can have the audience. Like when I started, I had 0 subscribers on my channel, but over time when I started creating videos, providing value on these videos, people watch my content, and that way they get interested in whatever I'm actually promoting, right? So the funnel builder is like really important, and that way you can actually get access to this system for as little as $25, and you have the ability to be earning that high ticket commission up to $800. And like I said, what I said before is, for example, if you're living in a poor country, right, $800 for you might be a lot of money, right? $800 US, right? This company pays you in US. And aside from that, they also have like a one-on-one mentoring mastermind calls they do every single week. They have like 5 different mastermind calls where you can actually go there and hear from successful people who are actually succeeding in this business, doing this business, and how they're actually earning ongoing residual income together, combined with a high ticket products they actually are offering and also promoting. So those are the ways how you can actually start to be able to start your affiliate marketing business, right? So the very important thing for you, if you want to do any sort of affiliate marketing, even if it is high ticket, or even if it is like low ticket affiliate marketing, or even if it is like recurring on ongoing affiliate marketing programs that you're actually promoting, you need a funnel, right? Funnel is like really important because it is going to be your own funnel, and that way you can actually capture people's email address. Why we actually capturing people's email address? So that way we can actually target them, and because most of the time people, they don't buy in the beginning, right? When they actually see your offer, they need to be reminded time and time again. That's where email marketing comes, and once you start to do that on an ongoing basis, that way you can start to generate that sales, right? So funnels is really important, and then after that comes traffic, right? We have different strategies how you can drive traffic. The one that I really love is YouTube, and also using click trading, right? Click trading is a easy way for you to be generating leads on an ongoing basis, and that way they can go ahead and buy whatever service or products that you're actually offering. So again, thank you so much. If you found some value in this video, leave me a comment, and also I'll leave a link for this amazing system in the description below.